Well, hey guys, just wrapping up some time out in the garage with the kids. We skinned out that skunk. That's the last critter I have in the freezer. So everything there is cleaned up. We played some darts, had a good time. Mama's in there working on supper, so I just sent the kids in to clean up. But I just wanted to take a few minutes to thank everyone for being a subscriber and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I know everybody's got a busy life, so it's nice that you take some time out of your day to watch the videos that I make. Quite a bit of time and effort goes into making YouTube videos. So anytime someone's gonna take a few minutes out of their day to watch it, it's really nice and thoughtful. So I appreciate it. I just wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You're probably not going to see any videos from me until sometime in the new year, early in the new year. Off to work in a couple days. When I get back, I'm hoping to hit Lake Nipissing, do some ice fishing. I've never ice fished out there. I've lived in the North Bay area for 12 or 13 years, and yeah, never fished there. So that's one of my things to do this year. Find a nice hot spot and catch a bunch of a walleye and some perch. Got an upcoming announcement, so that's probably the next video you'll see. Some nice channel news. What else do we got going on? Gonna do some land clearing. I've got an area that I want to clear and set up another chicken coop. Sorry, I couldn't think of it. Chicken coop. And it's about an acre and a half, so I want to clear that and get a coop set up and start a little bit of a field and get some chickens going. So there are some things coming up next year, so look forward to stay tuned for those. But I just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Be safe out there. If you're traveling anywhere, be safe. Remember, we have lots of rejects on our roads that seem like they just got their driver's license. So be careful, give yourself some extra time, and watch the weather. Lots of bad weather, and that makes people drive they're driving even worse. So thanks guys, I appreciate everyone's support, and I appreciate everyone watching my videos. It's awesome, and I look forward to coming back in the new year. So cheers guys, and be safe.